the 2006 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This is a pickup truck powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine with an automatic transmission. This pickup truck, with fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 14 miles per gallon. This Chevrolet features towing package, ABS, and four-wheel drive. Comfort and convenience features include air conditioning and power steering. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.